Now the computer system is divided into two components. These are the hardware and the software. The first one is the hardware. Hardware is a part of computer which we can see and touch. Whatever the things which are built in the computer, those things which we can see as well as we can touch, these are known as the hardware. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, speaker. Now hardware is compared with our body and software with the brain. As we know that hardware is the thing which we can see and touch, and the software is work like a brain. If our brain is not working properly, then our body will also not work properly. So the main important component of the computer system is the software. Now hardware is classified into four parts, that these are input, processing, output and storage. First one is input devices. Hardware or peripheral devices which are used to insert text, picture into the computer are called input device. Those things through which we can insert text, picture into the computer are known as the input device. Let us know one by one some of the input devices. First one is the keyboard. Keyboard is important part of the computer. Main important part of the computer is the keyboard, through which we can enter text and the picture in the computer system. And by entering the things in the computer, the main thing is to use the keyboard. It allows us to enter our desired data instruction by pressing the keys present on the it. Whatever the keys which are needed, we can press that keys, and after that it will transfer in the monitor. Next is the mouse. A mouse is a pointing device connected to the CPU by the cable wire. A mouse is also a input device which is connected to the CPU through the cable wire, and it is used to point or select desired object and option by clicking on the monitor screen. Whatever the things which we want to choose, we can choose, and after that we have to click on it. Its pointer move in the same direction where we move the mouse. Where we want to move the mouse, the pointer is also move according to the need and the requirement of the user. Next is the light pen. Light pen display the menu option and is used for drawing. For drawing anything, we use a light pen. We can also reduce or enlarge images and drawing by the light pen. If we want to increase the size of the picture, or if we want to decrease the size of the picture, by the help of the light pen we can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Next is the joystick. Joystick help us to move the item on the screen. It is used for playing game. The main purpose of the joystick is used for the playing game. Next is the microphone. It is used for recording various type of sound into the computer. Microphones are available in different shape and sizes in the market. Different shapes and sizes are available in the market. By that particular things we can purchase and use the microphone in our daily life. Next is the scanner. Scanner reads our data like words, number, picture printed on the paper. It converts the document in the digital form. Whatever the document we have to give to the scanner, it will give the requirement according to the need. Next is the processing device. CPU works on the collected data and instruction and converted into the meaningful information. Whatever the things which we give to the computer, first it will process and after that it will give as the output. Now CPU, Central Processing Unit, it is known as the brain of the control computer, and it can control all the computer systems. CPU does calculation, display result on the monitor screen and store lot of the various information. Whatever the things which we give to the computer, first it will goes to the CPU, after that it will process and give it as a output. The CPU consists of three main components. There are the three main components of the CPU. They are ALU, MU and CU. First one is the ALU, arithmetic logical unit. It performs all the arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also do the logical operation such as greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, or lesser than or equal to. Next is the memory unit. It store the data either temporarily or permanently as the desired by the user. Whatever the things which we want to store in the computer, the memory unit can store the data temporarily or permanently according to the need of the user. Next is the control unit. As the name suggests, it controls all the operation. Whatever the operation we give to the computer, it control all the operation according to the need of the user.